Hi, my name is Chisom and I'm the Business Operations Lead at Mono. I'm so excited to show you our office. Over here is our welcome area. The whole idea behind this is to make sure our guests feel welcome and comfortable and happy to be here with us. Then please come with me. So here is our huddle room, and the whole idea behind this space is to make sure that people have a place where they can have their meetings, brainstorm on new ideas, products that solve real problems for everyone out there. And by my right here is our pod. So we're going to use this like a studio, do some content, video creation, pictures, whatever we want to do about it. I love the couch, it's really comfortable. And here, my first favorite spot at Mono is the seating pod. I'll probably be working from here a lot of times because it's so comfortable, padding. So yeah, and then over here is Freda to take you on the tour.
Hi everyone, my name is Freda and I'm people lead here at Mono. So this is just another extension of our beautiful office. Here you can kind of unwind, take out time to rest while still working. I especially love the stairs that lead up. Then here we have our open workspace, our co-working area where you can collaborate, where you can chat, where you can work and still see everybody. I especially love this space because of the lighting and the greenery. Mono for ecosystem. Over here is our cafeteria. It's really cute. There's these spaces where we can talk and chat and eat with our island. Amazing lighting as always. Keeping it cool, keeping it fresh. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much of our office. We can't wait to have you, whether you're here for the culture, or the products, or the people. Can't wait to have you at the office. Bye.